The Harare High Court has shattered any dreams of freedom for Alpha Holdings senior journalist Blessed Mhlanga, who had pinned his hopes on the High Court in attaining freedom. Mhlanga, who has now spent 25 days in detention, had appealed to the High Court hoping the upper court would deliver a favorable ruling, but Justice Gibson Mandaza, who delivered a lengthy ruling, upheld the decision made by the magistrate court, which regards the accused as a threat to national security, therefore dismissing the application.
The High Court has dismissed the bail appeal of Blessed Mhlanga. The reasoning of the court was that the magistrate, when he dismissed the bail application, he was correct. The grounds upon which the bail application was dismissed were upheld, namely that there is a chance that Blessed would interfere with relevant state witnesses. The High Court agrees with the fact that if released on bail, Blessed would interfere with his workmates who are potential witnesses.
Chris Mike, who is Mhlanga's legal counsel, said since the arrest they are not yet aware of who the purported witnesses are, and they will be reviewing the stated statutes in today's ruling in order to assess if they comply with the Constitution.
As a legal practitioner, we go by the legal points that are contained in a judgment. We heard the judge cite numerous cases and statutes, and our assumption therefore is that the reasoning and the conclusions are in terms of our law. We will review the cases that are cited and the statutes that are cited to perhaps assess how far those conclusions comply with the Constitution and other standards that are set under our law.
Doug quoted read yet another heartfelt letter from Mhlanga, where he sends moral support to his family, particularly his daughter, who will be writing her advanced level examinations, although she has been deprived of her father, and we have stood by him through this difficult time.
Mhlanga, he says, fellow Zimbabweans, my esteemed workmates at AMH, my persecutors, it's almost a month and I remain in custody, serving a prison sentence that's neither defined or reasonable. Some will argue it's the wheels of justice turning. Whose justice, I ask? Just to serve a prison term with no conviction? Just to deny me my rights, including access to education? Just to deny a family its father, its husband, its only breadwinner? Is it just to force my family into poverty without any competent court convicting me? Ours is not an easy road. It's a marathon, and I thank you for walking it with me, most of the times carrying me on your broad shoulders. Your voices and solidarity, as communicated to me by my lawyers, have kept me strong and alive. It has protected my family, my daughter as she prepares to sit for her advanced level examinations, my sons as they wonder why dad is not home for the past 25 days. Your support has lessened the burden on me. I thank you. Please know this journalism is all that I know and intend to do. In all this, our desire is to inform a nation, to equip it with information that will build a stronger and better Zimbabwe. I take no sides with individuals, but with truth and facts. If facts and truth are illegal, prison is my home. HSTV is my home. It's my passion. My colleagues have stood with me and by me, and I thank them. My legal team has acted in my best interests at all times, and I'm grateful. Thank you, Team AMH. Let's not forget, the sun will set one day. The legal issues I leave to Chris Mike to address. Asante sana, with love. Darabi, Blessed Mhlanga, free, #free Dara.
Reporting for HSTV News and Current Affairs, Cordelia Mateke.